Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the video about the roadmap to be a social media manager, and here I will use this Pictory AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to create this video, I prefer to use the Pictory AI because it is very effective and efficient to create a video. And as you can see that this Pictory AI will help you to create the video from the text, URL, image, and also the PowerPoint file. And don't worry because this Pictory AI can also do the video editing and recording guys, and you can access it from your device, and here I prefer to open it or access it in my PC or website to get more spacious view like this. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email, because for the new user they will give you 14 days of free trials. And here I have 3 days free trials left in my account, and I will start to create the video from this URL to video. Click this, and here I have prepared the link about the information how to become a social media manager in 2025 complete guide from Social Champ. Thank you Social Champ. Don't forget to visit this website guys, and you can go back to this link and copy it, and you can paste the link into this section, your URL, and after that you can choose the platform. For example, I would like to present this video later in the Twitter, for example, or X, and you can also choose this length. For example, I choose the length of this video to be 1 minute. It's okay. Then you can also add the location or market condition as the additional information, and it is optional guys. You don't have to put into this section, and you can continue to generate the script, and after that it will direct you into this section to let this Pictory AI to generate this information into the script like this. And kindly wait for the process, maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, and this will be the script that will present it into the every single scene. And you can also rephrase or shorten and lengthen, and also choose the tone of this script itself. And you can also choose the ratio. For example, the ratio is 1:1, and also the estimated duration will be 2 minutes. And after that you can continue to generate the video, and kindly wait for the process that the every single script will be transformed into the scene that also present the picture. Kindly wait for the process, maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, and make sure that your connection is in a good condition guys. And if you have any recommendation about the another AI that can do the same as this Pictory AI, please suggest us or share us into the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there and making the video in another version. And after waiting for a while, then this will be the video that we will present into our platform. It will also have the music itself. And you can also add the visual or the audio if you want this script to be narrated by this actor or this narrator. And also you can add the text, element, and style, and you can also edit this script by giving the double click, and you can start to do the editing. And if you are okay and ready to launch or present this video, you can continue to click download with or without the watermark. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and don't forget to try this Pictory AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.